Hello and welcome to the M-Star training session for see that once we have created the examination rules for one class or class section, how can we copy the same exam rules or replicate the exam rules to other classes of the same session? Click on button M-Star and select module examination. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the examination module. After this, click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Exam Rules. After the screen opens, select the academic year, select session in which that exam is created, which we want to replicate. Select the activity type, whether it is an academic exam or a non-academic exam, and click on button View. On clicking, the list of all the exams that have been created for the session appears. Select the name of the exam by clicking on the name of the exam, and the details of the exam appear on the main screen. Now this is the exam that we have selected for replicating to other class sections and classes of the session middle. Remember that you can replicate the exam rules from one class section to other class or class sections which belong to the same session only. So to replicate, click on the button Replicate Exam Rule of selected exam to other exams. On clicking this button, a window Select Sections or Exams to which exam rules of selected exams will be replicated opens, and it displays all the class sections of the selected session, and on the right hand side it displays the list of all the examinations. On replicating, it can also create a new exam with the same rules. So let us click on the sections and a small tick appears. Since we have selected all the class sections, it means that the selected exam unit test needs to be replicated to all these class sections. Now select the exam name to which it needs to be replicated to. So let us select unit test only, and a small tick appears against the name of the exam. This would mean that unit test which is selected in the background will get replicated for these selected class sections into an examination called unit test. At this point, we can also select another examination, let's say unit 1, which would mean that again the unit test which is already created for 6th B and selected in the background will get automatically replicated to all the class sections for both the exams unit test and unit 1. That means a new exam unit 1 will also get created with the same exam rules for the selected class sections. After selecting the correct class sections and the correct exam names, click on button OK. Please be careful in selecting these examinations for replication. So clicking on the OK button, and it asks for the confirmation that exam rules of the selected class sections will be overwritten, and are you sure you want to replicate? If you are confirmed to replicate, click on button Yes. The message after some time will appear that the exam rules have been replicated successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message. And now let us check the other sections also. Selecting 6th A, and we see that unit test is already there in 6th A also. Selecting 6th C, and unit test appears in 6th C also. So repeat these steps for other sessions also in case you want to replicate the exam across various classes in various sessions. Thank you for watching this video.